Giuseppe! Giuseppe! Where is he? Go!
What are you doing? What are you doing, bro?
What are you doing? What are you doing? What is this?
What do you think I'm doing? I'm playing new balls.
We think this is a holiday?
No, it's
not a holiday.
It's just a Thursday.
Music, comfortable, boogieing.
Well, when I play Beach Boys, you say it's too loud, and then you can't hear it over here. I make it loud, and then when you come to this side of the shop, you say it's too loud.
It's too loud. You broke the speakers. The speakers are shot. It's too loud. The whole town. It's like a Beach Boys concert over there. Where'd you get these?
Dorman.
Dorman. They make speakers for your head. What are they called? Headphones. Well, that's nice. That's good. They work good?
Yes. Here, listen. Ready?
I'm not listening to music. We're at work. This is where we go to work. We don't listen to music. We work. And then when you go home, you listen to music. Okay? Here. I cut the fabric, so whenever you want to fit it in.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's do it. I'm gonna run to the hardware store. Daddy, I'll be right back. I gotta run to the hardware store. I gotta get a phone.
Alright, go ahead.
Thanks, cameraman.
Well, you broke my speakers, so I was listening to a little of this.
What am I going to listen to?
Huh?
What am I going to listen to?
Get another one. Get another one. Get another one.
All right.
This thing messes up my hair anyway. Come on, go tighten the bolts. I got to clean up a little bit.
All right.
Go ahead.
It's 5.
Zach, where's the thing? Give it back. Go. I wasn't done. Oh. You stole the headphones from me. It was still my turn.
No.
Yeah.
All morning.
Huh?
Every
didn't have them more than
Hey.
I just took them from you. When you went, I don't know, a hardware store or something.
It's my
Yeah.
No.
Hey, your turn.
No.
Keep dancing on the
No.
minefields.
Get
I came out of the
down, it's
bathroom.
my
What
turn.
happened? Everything was gone.
No, you got.
You broke it.
No, you can't have it at all.
It's actually to clean it. They go back on, I'm sure. Give me.
No.
When?
It's my turn.
Then when?
In a half hour. I find 15 minutes. I'll meet you in the middle.
All right, fine. Fine. All right, fine.
Making it happen.